What's up, guys? I'm gonna play Animal Hospital today. So let's start. Shift 1. I already played this game. So let's play. Let's wait for the visitors. Okay. No. 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 I want to do it. I want to do it. Please. I want to do it. Please. Okay, cool. What's your name? They're not gonna say your name. Really? Good thing the first shift is just a tutorial because there's no anomalies in the first one. So yay! Come on! I wish this game just puts more speed to the patients because it's just so slow. No. I'm gonna do it. Please. I am gonna do it. Yes. Oh, come on. He's still here? Stop it. I want to do it. Don't even think about it. Don't. Yes. Yay, I get the money now. And bro's like, no, I waited out. Okay. I'm waiting for the next one. That guy looks creepy. Good thing it's not an anomaly. Come on. Now, give me your sample. Thank you. I was like, why are you still blue? I already got your sample. Okay, yay, finalizing. Dried eyes, why? Let's see why. Oh, eye drops. Okay, let's get it. Yay, I got my eye drops. And let's put it in. Oh, yeah. Yay, the doctor. Okay, Dr. Harlow. That's his name, right? Let's see. I don't see it. Oh, cool. Cool. Yeah, I know you're Dr. Harlow. I played this game before. Get out. I know. No, don't keep working. Shut them out. Get them out of the hospital right now, bro. Come on. Wait, someone just shut the door? Oh, come on. Okay. The cameras are good. Patients do blah. Excellent! Ooh, 5 coins and $63. Yes, I'm the best one! Okay, shift 2. Yay. Okay. You look good. Come on. Yay. I will be in room 3. Okay, I will go there. Don't worry, man. Is it a ma'am or a sir? Isabella, why are you here? I'm gonna treat the patient. Get out. Yeah. What do you mean 10% stalker? I didn't see anything black. Because the stalker is a black thingy. Which it isn't a stalker, it's an anomaly. Stalkers are like the person who stalk people. Not like anomalies. Anomalies are different things. Anomalies and stalkers are different things. You know that. Come on. Yay. Okay, ointment and medicine. Let's get the ointment. There's actually no way he was got. Yes, I got the ointment. Yay! But who's gonna get the money? Who's gonna get the money then? Yay. Who gets the money? Do both of us get money? Or none of us? I don't know. let's... Oh, come on, the coffee isn't there. Barney's gonna come again. I know that. And the coffee's not gonna be there. That's the problem. But I really need coffee. So yeah, I don't know how to get coffee. Well, I do know, but I need the coffee for Barney and me because I need sanity too. Come on. Come on. Don't tell me Barney's gonna come. Barney's the worst. Come on. Nothing. Ooh, look. Thanks for your sample. Stop saying ouch. It's for your own good. Let's analyze the sample. Oh, come on. You look weird. But, okay. Stomach ache. What do you need? Herbs. Also, by the way, it was lagging right now, but who cares? The doctor's arriving. No! I'm just gonna put it in the trash can. I don't even need it. Okay. Doctor's arriving. Dr. Harlow. Is that his name? I forgot. It doesn't work. Oh, never mind. Okay, the supply shop? What is that? Oh, wait, I know it, but it's just... Ooh. Wow. Okay, process results. It's shift 3. Yay. Okay, let's see if we can kill this person. I'm just kidding. This is a good guy. Those guys better not let in any anomalies. Because anomalies are creepy. Okay. We need medicine. Give me the medicine now. Yay. Yay! I got it. Yeah. Wait, what? That's it? That is so fast. That was so fast. It's been like 2 minutes. Okay, some patients may seem unstable. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm excited. Okay. Ooh, I want the taser. I'm getting the taser, okay guys? I'm getting the taser. I am getting the taser, okay? And I just saw something through the window, but didn't see anything. Bruh. Oh. You have been tasered. Why? Oh, yeah, that's critical. Man, duh.